welcome back to Cook and Vibe, welcome back to Cook and Vibe Season 5. So today, people, I deleted the whole intro to the video. Ah, man, I went to edit the video, I've deleted the whole intro. So, right now, I am introducing what we're doing today. Today, people, we are doing Janga soup. Yeah, I can't remember what I said in the original video, but today we're doing Janga soup. You know what I'm saying? It's a Jamaican thing. Janga, otherwise known as crayfish. You know what I'm saying? So it's crayfish soup. Very Jamaican soup. Them kind of thing there. You get me? Looks really nice. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, people. Yes, so for today's ingredients, people. Alright, so what you're gonna need, first of all, is some crayfish. Now, I didn't really want to do it like this, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Now, these are already cooked. I would have definitely 100% prefer to use raw, you know, fresh ones, but I just could not get them anywhere. And on top of that, it makes it easier for you guys as well, who can't just get crayfish anywhere. So you can get these. I got these from Morrison's. You get me, £4 each, a little bit expensive, but yeah. So we got our crayfish towels. What else are we gonna need? Right, look at this lovely lot here. Okay, so you're gonna need pumpkin. You're gonna need carrot. You're gonna need Irish potatoes. You're gonna need yellow yam. And you're gonna need some corn. You're gonna need some Scotch bonnet, a yellow one and a green one. You're gonna need some garlic, I forgot what it's called then. Scallion and some pimento seed. And what else you're gonna need is, hopefully it's just available for me to just, it's not, it's over there, chicken seasoning. A lot of people use the soup mix. I don't have it. So, thyme, I don't know if I said that. So yeah. Chicken seasoning as well. So that is what you're gonna need for the Janga soup. Why? Yeah, look at the corn. Look at the corn. Yeah, people, callaloo, grabber. Yeah, I took a couple leaves off that one. Everything is nice right now. So yeah, you know, so we need the green one as well. So that one that's supposed to put still. Got the plant raw, that is on there, man. Twist it round. There we go. Fresh Scotch bonnet. It don't even look that green, does it? You know what it is? I'm colourblind, people. But yeah, so we got the yellow one and we got a green one. All right, in here, people, I've got the scallion, I've got 1 clove of garlic, and I've got the pimento seed. You get me? So what we're gonna do now is just gonna put this into the pot. So obviously water, you need water first. So yeah. What else I'm gonna do as well is some of the crayfish towels. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bust one of the packets and I'm just gonna chuck a couple in there. And just now, yeah.
That looks like shrimp a bit.
It's not different, that much different from shrimp, to be honest with you. But they're crayfish towels. But yeah, it's pretty much like shrimp, to be honest with you. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dash a couple in here just to give it that little flavour from the start. You know what I'm saying? So in there we've got the pimento seed, we've got a couple crayfish towels, and we've got the scallion and 1 clove of garlic. Yeah, zait. Why? Season 5, Cook and Vibe, keep it alive. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise you're gonna lose all your toenails.
Be best if you want your jerk chicken taste like real jerk chicken, like a chicken and soak from Jesus time. Get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. You make your chicken taste like a God cookie. It hot?
Right, why? You done know, people. So the second step is you're gonna need your pumpkin. So, and carrot, actually. Yeah. So let's just give these a quick wash. So we're gonna chop up the carrot, right? And the pumpkin. That is what we're gonna need at first. Do you know what actually? Do you know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and put the thyme in. The timing, I'm gonna go and put that in now when I put the pumpkin in, right? So I'm just gonna chop up. We're not gonna use all the carrot. At the moment, we're gonna use 1.5 of the carrots. You get me? And then after that, chop up our pumpkin, and then we're gonna put the carrot and the pumpkin into the pot. And what we kind of want to do is make a stock out of the pumpkin. Do you know what I'm saying? We want to make a stock out of that. So we want to boil that up and mush that into it. You get me? And that's the start of the soup. What? There we have it. 1.5 carrots and our pumpkin all chopped up and ready to go in the pot. Alright people, why Cook and Vibe season 5. So this has been on for about 20 minutes. So what you want to do is you want to get it to the point, right? Let me get a bit of pumpkin. You see that bit of pumpkin there? You see that just mush? So that's what you want to do. You want to just mush it out a little piece. Do you know what I'm saying? So it turns into like a pumpkin kind of stock, you know what I'm saying? And then we are ready for the next step. Yeah, next stage, people, next stage. All right, what you want to do is you want to cut up your corn. You want to cut up your Irish potato. You want to cut up your carrot. You get me? And wash it all, you know what I'm saying? And now we're going to cut up our yellow yam. I'm going to put that in there and we're going to put that all into the pot. Why? So we've got our carrot, we've got our yellow yam, we've got our potato and everything and the corn and everything. So we're just going to put everything inside the pot now. Yeah, let's give it a stir. Why? Yeah, Janga soup, the man. I have made. Yeah, so next stage is now we're gonna put the Scotch bonnet in and the rest of the garlic. You get me, the chicken seasoning and the Janga, the rest of the Janga, isn't me? Yeah, so remember say the yellow one that I had already, this one's from Jamaica, the green one, this one's from the garden. We're gonna put them in whole. Garlic in whole, rest of the Janga. And after this, give that a stir around. I'm gonna put chicken seed. Oh, dumplings, we need dumplings. All right, you know what people, man's gonna have to run and get some flour quickly because we need dumplings inside here, man, you get me? But yeah, it's looking good. Let's have a, yes, smelling good, man, smelling good. I'm telling you, that is looking special and smelling special. Smelling, 10-10. Spinner dumplings, really simple, yeah? What you're gonna do is you're gonna get some flour and you're gonna get some water and some salt and you're gonna put that together, mix them round. Little spinner, little ball, simple, just boom. Simple thing. Spinner. You know the ones there. Cause enough times I'm doing things, yeah, and I forget the spinner dumplings. And everyone's like, oh, you forgot the spinners. You forgot the spinners. Today, I'm not forgetting the spinners. Alright? Why, it's Cook and Vibe, it's season 5, it's crayfish soup, it's Janga soup. You understand? Yeah, man. Yes, people, so I've put some chicken seasoning in there and I've put some all-purpose seasoning in there, the Maggi one, you know what I'm saying? But it is looking Proper why. Look at this. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Look at that. The crayfish, the Irish, the yellow yam, carrot, pumpkin, spinners, everything, man. I'm gonna be honest, this one is smelling 10-10. It's looking, you can just tell in it. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, man, so this soon done. So after I put all the pumpkin and everything in, I left it for about half an hour. You get me? So we're pretty much at the end of it now. So, yeah, man, oi, soon taste it. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise, you're going to lose all your toenails. Yeah, man. Janga soup, people. Oi, you know anything? Season 5. Look, this just... Oh, the smell. The smell. 10. So right now, I just want to make sure I've got everything in my bowl. Ah, yes, look, we got some Janga there already. We got some corn and some carrot. Nice spinner in there. What else we got? Where's the Irish? Need to find the Irish. Oh, we've got some Irish in there. With some more Janga. Yeah. Let's get rid of this. We're gonna need this again. Yeah! More Janga. Let's get all that in there. And get me some more yellow yam. And thing there. What else we going for? What else we going for, people? Find some more Irish. There's some Irish there. Yeah. Not gonna be too greedy. A few more Janga. There we go. Get rid of the time. Look at that, people. I don't know if you can even see it on the camera, but yeah. I'm gonna show you properly. Janga soup. Boy, yeah. Janga soup. You see the Janga there. You see the dumpling, the spinner, carrot, yellow yam, Irish, corn. Yeah, man. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. This might be one of my new favorites, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, taste time. I can't wait. Some of these episodes, man's been doing it. I'm dreading the taste time. But this time I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, man. One thing in a cook and vibe. Yo, it's hot, you know. Every time I do an episode, I go outside, right, and it's quiet, and I start cooking. Bam! Someone starts playing their blows and dress music. When you're hearted, man, it's like people wait for me to get to the end of the episode. I thought, taste time, you get me? I'm gonna sit outside, you get me, taste the food. I even started doing it, but I could hear their little, on a stupid music. It's stupid music, no good music anyway, people. Yeah, damn know what I was saying, right? Because I started tasting it outside, like I was saying, but I didn't want to risk it. So, look, a bit of Janga, a bit of Irish. This is 10-10. This is absolutely 10-10. This is one of my new favourites. Yellow yam. The juice as well. 10-10. Everything works just so well. Carrot. Janga. Let's have a little bit of a spinner. We always use this, we always leave the spinners out, but not today. To top it off, it's 10-10. Janga soup. I will definitely be cooking this a lot. You know what I'm saying? So you don't know, people. Big up yourself. Can't stop eating it. After the big up section, we'll see you next week for another episode of Cooking Vibe. You might even see me in the middle of the week. Like I keep saying every week in every episode, but the plan is to drop 2 episodes. So, yeah, I feel hot. But that's 10-10. Janga soup. Why? So you don't know this week's big up section, people. Big up Mo Gaines. Says one love from beautiful Trinidad and Tobago. Stay blessed, guys. Well, I haven't been to Trinidad yet, but I will definitely reach there soon. And big up yourself. And big up Daz J. You get me? Love the energy, bro. Been following you for 2 years now. Keep up the good work and great vids, bro. Why, my G? Big up yourself. It's been a very, very long day. It's been a little one's birthday today. Man's been all over Leicester Square and mad thing. But you don't know. Big up yourself. I'll see you soon. Why?